If you've never had DONGA punch before, here's the recipe. You start with 1.5 ounces of your spirit. So for the DONGA punch, it is a rum agricole. I created this custom whiskey blend and I substituted the whiskey for the rum in the exact same recipe. You add 1 ounce of grapefruit juice and 3/4 ounce of lime juice.
Hey, I'm making a cocktail.
You then add 1 ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. In order to make the cinnamon simple syrup, you mix 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar. Heat it up so that all the sugar melts, and then I added in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. So you shake all these ingredients up, and I was dirty dumping. So I was dumping it straight into the glass, not over crushed ice. And it was phenomenal.